What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Coti, which has pumped up quite a bit, not just in the last 24 hours but overall in February. As you guys can see, it has gained an insane amount of value. So we're going to be looking at where is Coti heading to next. Can it hit 15-20 cents over the next couple of days and weeks? And as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it has pumped up just over 22%, currently trading at just over 12 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is now the right time to buy the crypto? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? And essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction for the short term and the long term in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So what we're going to do now is go onto the CoinMarketCap website here, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Coti, which is here in purple at 9 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here at over 12 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep guys. The reason is looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is clearly not the case. So by midday to afternoon time, I'm expecting Coti to have taken a little bit of a step back in value, potentially dropping down to 0.115, so just over 11 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, do expect dips in between and pumps as well, ups and downs. But yes guys, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. I'm not saying it's going to start crashing right now. It is likely to pump up to about $13 cents, or just above 13 cents over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to hit red candles in the early hours of tomorrow to midday, dropping down below 12 cents and above 11 cents is what I'm expecting at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning once again guys, this is not realistic. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Coti to have taken a dip down to below 10 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again guys, reason for that is because right now I'm expecting or predicting that it is slightly overvalued and is due for a little price correction over the coming days. So early to mid next week, it is likely to hit more red days, and it should dip down in value to around the 10 cents value is what I'm expecting. But do expect the odd green days in between as well. But again guys, what matters is the overall outcome, which at the moment it does seem to be more on the negative side. Now zooming into the daily chart, again with the blue line is still looking quite steep. However, the orange line is looking a little bit better than the previous chart. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid April 2024, what are my expectations from Coti is an overall minimal increase in value, potentially up to about 13 to 14 cents is where I'm expecting Coti to be trading at in April, May time, depending on how the crypto market performs. And especially with the Bitcoin halving happening in April, this will have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So My prediction is, as I mentioned, a price correction over the coming week or two, dropping below the 10 cents value, potentially even to about 7-8 cents by the end of February, early March, and then slowly starting to hit green candles heading upwards by mid to late March and April, heading over the 13 to 14 cents in value is what I'm expecting. So from where it is trading at the moment, from 12 cents, it is going to be a minimal increase in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So this basically does prove my point as to why I think it's overvalued, or predict that it's overvalued. As you guys can see, it has broken out from the resistance level here from the red to the green zone without resisting. So yes, it's not sustainable. It wasn't a sustainable one, and it is overvalued. So I am expecting it to dip back down into the red zone over the coming week to around the 10 cents value, and potentially even lower than that the week after, and then slowly starting to gain value once again, hitting the resistance level here, which is just about 11 cents, and then breaking out into the green zone in late March, April time, heading to around 14 to 15 cents. So in the upper part of the green zone is where I'm expecting Coti to be trading at in April, May time. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 370% in the last 24 hours, making it $87 million in trading, which is again a huge increase, guys. Again, the reason is quite obvious, is because it has gained a lot of value in the last, not even 24 hours, probably about the last 5-6 hours here, guys. And it is second top gainer, in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype from both buyers and sellers point of view. So we are seeing a lot more traders trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers. So Coti, can it hit the dollar mark anytime soon? I'm not expecting it to hit the dollar mark this year, because if it is likely to hit the dollar mark, it is going to have to go through a major increase in value percentage wise as well, which I'm not expecting from Coti at the moment, especially with the price correction I'm expecting to take place over the coming week or two. Yeah, it is realistic, but it is unlikely it will happen. However, by mid next year, I'm expecting Coti to be hitting the dollar mark, depending on how it performs. But let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.